Hi Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot for mid-March 2021. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you Sagittarius, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Sagittarius, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for mid-March 2021 here Sagittarius. Also Sagittarius, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Sagittarius, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. It's quite interesting. I've got the Knight of Pentacles coming up for both of your energy, I would say here Sagittarius, from your person and your energy. So let's see the mutual energy between both of you here Sagittarius. I've got Deception, and then I've got the Sacred Temple energy. Okay, so on this side here is your person energy, on this side here is your energy, and on this side here is your person energy Sagittarius, but again the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign that I've got for you here Sagittarius, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. I'm also getting a very strong air energy coming up here, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini, as well as fire energy, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now looking at your energy here Sagittarius, I've got the Ace of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, the Three of Wands energy here. With the overall energy I've got here is the Two of Cups. So I'm getting two messages coming up for you here Sagittarius. So this may resonate with two group of people, but again it could also resonate both with you here. The first thing that I'm getting here is that you're kind of like getting impatient, I would say here, with how slow the journey has been between both of you here, especially with this Knight of Pentacles energy. See, I've got the Knight of Pentacles coming up for you and your person coming up together here. So this is basically talking about that this particular journey that both of you have to go through here, this particular separation between you and your person here Sagittarius, may take some time for both of you to come back into the union. And the reason why it's going to take some time for both of you to get back into the union here is that because there are still a lot more baggages, there are still a lot more things that both you and your person needs to release. Now with this Knight of Pentacles coming up for you here Sagittarius, as well as coming up from your person energy here, so this is basically talking about both of you still have a lot more healing, both of you still have a lot more things that you need to release, you need to let go here Sagittarius. Now this can be many things. This can be control, this can also be like emotional pain, emotional trauma, childhood trauma, family issue, family upbringing. That kind of energy is what I'm getting coming up very, very strongly. Now you also like because of this impatient energy, because of it's kind of like taking so long for both of you to come back together, and the journey between both of you here has been kind of like little bit like a slow moving energy, I would say here Sagittarius. So with this Three of Wands energy, what I'm getting here is that you're kind of like ready to move on into another person. You're just like ready to move on completely from this particular situation here, but still like whenever you're trying to move on from this relationship, whenever you're trying to move on from your person, I would say here you're always being reminded about how strong both of your connection are here. So with this Two of Cups energy, never ever doubt about the soul connection, about the soul connection and the twin flame connection between both of you here Sagittarius, because this Two of Cups energy is basically talking about such a strong and such a powerful connection that both of you shared here. Now this is also another reason why the more you're trying to resist the growth, the more you're trying to resist the healing and the transformation that you have to go through yourself here, the longer this union, the longer this separation is going to be here. And another thing that I've got for you here Sagittarius, here I've got the Ace of Wands energy coming up here. So for some of you here Sagittarius, your third eye chakra has been quite opening up here. And what do I mean by that here? You've been getting a lot of messages from the divine, like from your dream signs, synchronicities. You could also be like getting more like you could be getting like the telepathic messages from your person towards you. He has becoming more like at least has becoming much stronger, I would say here, Sagittarius. So that is what you need to pay attention to here. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Hangman, I've got the Two of Swords, and then I've got the Earth Mother or the Empress energy, and then I've also got the Knight of Pentacles energy coming up here. So this is quite interesting, I would say here, because at this point of time here, your person, they are currently in conflict within themselves here, and not only in conflict within themselves, they're currently in conflict with their ego. And what do I mean by in conflict with the ego? As you can see here with this Two of Swords energy, and how this person, how these two people are currently arguing, or at least discussing towards each other. This is how your person and their own ego, like your person true intuition, your person deepest soul, I would say here, and the ego has been trying to discuss and has been like trying to like arguing here. And what do I mean by that here? Your person, like deep within your person energy here, Sagittarius, they do understand what a queen, like what an empress you are here. Again, the gender does not matter, male or female, but with this Earth Mother energy, they do realize that what an amazing person you are. I do feel like they're also like putting you on such a high pedestal, I would say here, Sagittarius. But the thing here is that because of the ego at this point of time, the conflict within the ego at this point of time here is what currently making them, or at least is what currently delaying them to communicate with you here, Sagittarius. So with this Empress energy, what I'm getting here is that they do realize that you're such an amazing person, there is such a magnificent energy coming out from you here. But the ego, like honestly, they would be, I would even say like they're kind of like being petty enough just to know, like just to not communication, like just to not communicating with you. Even like if you're communicating with them, they would be like getting angry, or just like avoiding you or ghosting you here. Now this is what currently going on within your person energy, and this is also why I've got the Hangman energy coming up here. They're feeling confused, they're just like not sure on how to handle all of this emotion coming up within themselves here. Now this is another reason why I've got the Knight of Pentacles energy coming up here. This is like quite a slow process for your person, for them to come into this particular realization of why they cannot stop thinking about you here, or why like after all of this fight, misunderstanding, all of this separation that has been happening between both of you here, Sagittarius. For some of you here, this has been like years of separation here. They still cannot stop thinking about you, or even like if your person is currently in a third party situation, they keep coming back towards you here, Sagittarius, because the thing here is that they themselves cannot understand of what is currently going on. They themselves cannot like understand of what kind of connection that both of you shared here. So what they do here is that they kind of like giving in to the ego energy here. This is what causing the conflict within themselves. The conflict within the ego is what I'm getting coming up here, Sagittarius. And that is also another reason why I've got the deception energy here. So it's like almost like they're trying to be manipulating towards themselves, in a sense that they're trying to manipulate like by telling them, no, this is not real, I'm just being emotional, like they're kind of like trying to talk trying to convince themselves that they do not have any feelings towards you. They're trying to convince themselves that this is it. I don't like them. I don't like the Sagittarius here. Like there is nothing going on between both of us. So they're kind of like trying to manipulate themselves, I would say here. This is what causing the conflict within themselves, I would say here, Sagittarius. Because the problem here is that with this sacred temple, they have to honor the intuition. Now this is also another reason why the union between both of you is going to take a little bit some time. So what you need to understand, or what you need to do from your side here is, Sagittarius, is that to have more faith and to believe within yourself, to believe within your intuition. Because the more you're trying to fight your intuition, the more your person, the more they're also trying to fight their intuition, is what I'm getting here. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this message resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.